Raise the presser foot. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Place a spool of thread on the spool pin. Through the thread tension module, the presser foot must be raised. Firmly draw thread up and through take-up lever from right to left. Draw thread down and slip it into needle bar thread guide. Lower the presser foot. Pull down the lever while holding the end of the thread. Rotate the lever to the rear of the machine. Release the lever and pull the thread away from you. Raise the presser foot, turning the hand wheel until the take-up lever is at its highest position. Pull the needle thread lightly with your left hand. Pick out the bottom thread. Pull 6 inches of both thread back and under the presser foot.